Hi everybody, welcome back to Twisted V-Twin Garage. Today we're going to be doing some painting. You know, I guess people like to see the painting and all, and so we're going to shoot some primer here today, get this thing all primered up and show you all what we do and how this works out. And it's pretty cool. So we're going to shoot a little primer here today and show you how I coat this. Oh, that's covered nice. Looks good. So we don't know what all we want to get all primered and done up, but we enjoy it. And we got this little bit done here. I'm using a self-etching primer here. Pretty good. It fills up all the rough spots and everything. It's easy to lay it out. Nice setup and all. But what we're going to do is we're going to let that set up. We're going to let it dry. So I'm shooting this video. I'm going to take a break. Y'all can watch this paint dry for me and see how well it works out. So I'm hoping it works out pretty good. I'll be back as soon as the paint dries. So, you know, y'all watch that paint dry for me. Okay, had to go get me some coffee. How's the paint drying? How's it looking? Wow, she's setting up pretty nice. It's filling it, looking good. So we'll watch it dry a little while longer and see how well the primer does and fills in all the little deficits and everything in the middle, divots. But we'll let you watch it dry for a little while longer. It's doing great. Well, how's it doing? Hey, looking good. Yeah, that paint primer, it's coming along just great. So, anyway, thanks everybody for watching the paint dry for me, and I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like the way that primer's coming out. So, and thanks for the views. You guys have a good Easter Sunday, and I hope everybody's well. Thank you.